What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your StreetSmart's Edge platform for day trading. Check it out. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video here. I'm not fooling around with like opening up a fresh account to do this video. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to use my long-term investing, well, my long-term swing account here where you've seen me, I have a little bit of Disney. Remember, this isn't my retirement account. This isn't like a big account. This is just my long-term swing. I bought this when the market took that big dip and I wanted to add more to it. Never got a shot to add to it. So, here we are. But that's what this account is for. So this is not a retirement account by any means. My retirement account is actually over at Vanguard. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to open up a brand new blank slate. Okay. And I'm going to show you exactly how I would, like if I was starting from scratch again, how I would set up my platform for day trading. Okay. Now this can be used for swing trading as well. But for all intents and purposes of the video, we're going to do it based on us wanting to day trade. So we have StreetSmart's Edge. We've opened it up here. Got a brand new blank layout. Okay, and this is very easy, super easy. It's not as easy as smashing the like button though, so make sure you go ahead and do that for me. Every time you hit that like button, it helps the channel grow. It really does, because it feeds the YouTube algorithm, and when you feed the YouTube algorithm, it's happy with you. And then it pushes up the channel. And when we get to 10,000 subscribers, which we should already be at 7,000 by now, when we get to 10,000, so we just need 2,000 more to go, we're going to do a free giveaway of a fully funded trading account to one lucky subscriber. So I need you to help me out by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel if you haven't, and make sure you comment in the comment section below. Now we're going to go ahead and jump right on into this here. So the very first thing we need as day traders is a chart. So we're going to go ahead and go to find active tools. You can go there, or you can go to launch tools. Okay, and you start to get a bunch of different tools you can play around with. Okay, so let's remove this real quick here so you can see the tools. Whoop. Okay, so first things first, we want charts. So we got to find charts on here. This is where charts are, research and analyze. So you click charts. Now we have a chart. Boom. We have ourselves a chart right there. Okay, and we can move this around, and we will. So you move it around the screen wherever you want, wherever you feel comfortable. You can make it as big or as small as you want so that you're comfortable with it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, boom, start putting our chart out. Now within this chart, you can do different time frames. This is your daily chart right here on Boeing. You click, can you see it? Pretty sure. There you go. You see this little dot right there, this little plus sign? There we go. You click that, and you can add another chart, obviously. Then, in order to, mess around with the settings on the chart itself, you're going to come over here to this little setting icon. Click settings. And what type of chart do you want? Do you want a daily, weekly, monthly, custom day, 60-minute, what do you want? 5-minute, 1-minute, custom minute? I like to use a 3-minute, as you know. So I'll click custom minute, and I'll come here and I'll put 3. Okay. And now I have myself a 3-minute chart. Boom. I have myself a nice 3-minute chart right there. Now, I like to add some studies to the chart. I am a simplistic trader. I am not going to bombard my chart with a bunch of different squiggly lines and colors. So what I'm going to do here, right? So I'm starting from scratch, is I'm going to come over here to let's see, here's not draw. Where are my save chart setup? Okay, so we're gonna, oh, here we go. We're gonna click this here, send it away. And now we're going to right click on the chart itself. We're gonna go over to add study right here. You see add study, okay? Let me move this over a little bit. We're going to click add study. You see it there? Perfect. Okay. And we're going to click we're going to add VWAP. So is it under volume? Where are you? Intraday. got to find this together because this is not something I do every day, right, guys? I did my setup a long time ago and I've kept it. Here we go. So trend. We're going to go to trend and we're going to go to volume weighted average price. See, if you're just looking for VWAP, you're not going to find that here. You're going to find volume weighted average price, which is VWAP, VWAP. Now we're going to click that. And I like to, because I've always had it on all my charts, put it in purple. Okay. And we're going to click OK. And there's our VWAP. Boom. That's it. Now I want to add another study. Okay. So I'm going to come over here, go to draw. I'm sorry, not draw. Add a study right up here. We're going to do the same function again. Okay. So we're going to go over here to trend and we're going to go to exponential moving average. So EMA. So if you're looking for EMA, it's not going to say EMA. It's going to say exponential moving average. We're going to click on the EMA. Okay. And I want to put up the 9 EMA. You know, that's what I use. So, and I usually do that in this, like, I don't know. It's a blue color. I'm guessing it's teal. So there we go. Boom. Now I have my VWAP and my 9 EMA. Okay. So now my chart is ready for me to trade with. However, you know, I like to add multiple time frames. I usually have them off camera, but if you want to do another one, all you got to do is click the plus and go through the same process again. Come over here to settings and then come over here to type. You're going to go to custom minute and you're going to go 15 minute. If that's what you want, that's what I would do. So 15-minute chart right there. Okay. Now we have ourselves a 15-minute chart. Okay. So now, and you can organize this as you want. See, boom. So there you go. You got your 3-minute here, your 15-minute here. So here you go, 3-minute, 15-minute, and daily. Okay. And that's all you really need. So now, in my opinion anyways, so now we have our charts. We know we have our charts. What else do we need on here? Well, we need to be able, I know you can trade off the charts. Never done it on here. Well, kind of off the charts. See, you click buy, sell, but no thanks. I want to see something like level 2, time and sales. So we have to once again, okay, come over here to launch tools. Let's move this so you can see it. Come over here to launch tools and we're going to click on our all-in-one trading tool. Now let's come back over here. Now we have our all-in-one trading tool right here. Okay. You can see here you have your time and sales. You have your level 2. You have your order entry box. You have your level 1 up here. Okay. Here you can also, you know, see your calls and puts if you want to trade options. Okay. And now this, you can move it around, you know, make it smaller so it can fit where you want it. And you can also customize it by right-clicking here, going to trade ticket settings. And we've done a whole video on this, so I'm just going to show you this. Here you can organize how you want that to look and how you can organize, you know, your ticket settings. But we did a video on this already, so you can see it in the StreetSmart Edge playlist. Okay, so we're not going to mess around with that. Now we have our trading tool. Boom. That's where we're going to put our orders in, where we're going to buy and exit trades. Okay, so we're going to buy, sell trades there, and we're going to move that to the side. All right. Boom. And then you can actually, you know, make it as big or as small as you want. Now, what else do we want to see on here? Well, typically I'd like to see my order box, okay, or my positions box. So we'll go back to trade, you know, launch tools, and then we come over here, account monitoring and trading. So account details, messages, that's already up here always anyways. Okay, you have a bunch of different tools right here. So we're going to go to account details. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Now we're going to come back over here and we're going to come over here to positions. Okay, this tool is going to show you your open positions. It's going to show you your realized gains and losses, your transactions, your balances, your alerts, your order statuses. Okay, so it's going to show you all of that all the time. And that's it. That is honestly all I personally need on this to trade actively. I have my order entry box, my level 2, my time and sales. okay, my options here if I want to trade options, my open positions, okay, my box here with all my account details, my chart here with my trading tools, okay, I have my 15-minute and my daily charts, okay, they're right here. If I want to add a 5-minute, you do the same process we did to add the 15 and the 3-minute. All right, if you want to add another tool, you know, all you got to do is right click. If you want to draw on it, like support and resistance lines, they're right here, support line. You click support line, and then you just, you know, boom, and there you have your support line. You want to remove it, you click it, then you right click and you click remove. You want to draw Fibonacci levels, you come here to draw, you go to Fibonacci retracement, you go boom, and there's your Fib retracement levels. Okay, so that's it, guys. Super simple to set this up for day trading, and it works just fine. You have your limit orders, your market orders, your stop limit orders, and trailing stops right here. All right, let me know any other video you want to see about the platform. I'll be happy to do it. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button for me, and I'll catch you on the next one.